not that bad, but it was good. Shufa, I think, never played her best tennis, but she tried to give all she can, and it was good.
Today was also good for me, despite that I lost. My opponent here, Angela Couture, she played really, really well, and it's good for her, and I'm happy for her.